Mila, come here. Your ball. Maldita ka. Na. Get down. Can help. Come. Come kitchen. Go. Go up. Go to kitchen first. Come, let's go. Bring your bowl. Hey! Nauna na. Go na! Wow, cute na Mila. Yeah, very cute na Mila. Wow, so cute. Okay? Do you want? Do you want? Do you want to catch? Do you want to catch? Okay, I'll catch her. Cute ah. How about the chick? Do you want the ball? Do you want to catch the ball? Okay. Hey. Why so itchy? Come here. Mila. 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 Come here. Catch the ball. Come. Come. Mila catch the ball. Wow, Mila, very good. Mila catch. Hey. Ako naman kagating. Ouch. Ano naman kasalanan ko? Bakit ako naman? Giding-giding. Go! Give me. Why? Okay. Wow. May papatong-patong pa ng paa sa paa ko. Ouch! Ay, ano naman kasalanan ko? Bakit nangangagat? Okay na. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Yan. Cute Mila. Wow. Very cute Mila. Cute. Okay, catch the ball. Are you ready to go? Not yet. Are you ready to go? 1, 2, 3. What? Ouch. Sakit ng mukha ko. Ouch. Ang sarap mo sampalin. Natamaan ng bunganga mo mukha ko. Ouch. Pag hindi ka lang cute, baka itapon kita sa baba. Ay, cute talaga. Mila. Paano ako magagalit nito sa cute na ito, na cute na budiding to, bata na 4 na paa, ay riding, aray, ting talaga to. Come. Ayan. Paano ka magagalit pag ganito yung paa, cute. Ang cute. Pwera lang yung mukha. Yung mukha. Hi, kapatid ng unggoy. Ouch. Wow, may papatong-patong pa ng paa. Okay na, good girl na. I give you the ball, okay? Give you the ball. Go na. Oh, the quit is very cute. Wow. Aray, akala ko tapos na. Hindi pa pala tapos ang galit ni Mila. Pag galit si Mila, kinakagat na yung kamay ko. Aray!